Top 5 Best Super Automatic Espresso Machines. Number 5. DeLonghi Magnifica Start Automatic Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso Machine is the kind of product that makes morning coffee rituals actually worth waking up for. This compact automatic espresso machine delivers top-tier espressos, coffees, and Americanos with one-touch simplicity. Sure, it skips the fancy auto frother, but that traditional frother gives control for crafting velvety lattes if milk's your thing. With 13 precise grind settings, dialing in a rich, consistent shot is nearly foolproof. The design is smart. Fewer moving parts mean fewer headaches, and the handy alerts for beans or water are subtle rather than irritating. It heats up in under a minute, so no waiting games here, and the auto-off function saves your boiler from early retirement. A minor gripe, the dark-tinted water tank isn't the friendliest for quick water level checks. Also, refilling means starting your coffee journey over. But honestly, those feel trivial when each cup emerges perfectly hot with half-inch thick crema. This machine transforms everyday coffee into barista-level quality at home, without the fuss, complexity, or wasted counter space. Coming in number 4. Gevi 20-bar Espresso Coffee Machine. The Gevi 20-bar Espresso Coffee Machine packs a surprisingly robust punch for those seeking cafe-level espresso without the cafe price tag. With a powerful 20-bar Italian pump, it's designed to pull rich, aromatic espresso with consistently thick crema right at home. The built-in burr grinder offers an impressive 35 grind settings, making dialing in the perfect shot less guesswork and more satisfying ritual. Setup couldn't be simpler. Clean, rinse, and you're off to the races. Gevi thoughtfully includes everything from a tamper to espresso glasses, meaning less fuss and more caffeine enjoyment right out of the box. Steam wand quickly produces silky microfoam, though multitasking milk steaming and espresso pulling simultaneously isn't an option. Call it enforced mindfulness. Constructed from mostly lightweight plastic with stainless steel components where it counts, this espresso maker is easy on both your countertops and cleaning routine. Plus, the included pressure gauge takes the mystery out of extraction, guiding even absolute beginners to barista-level shots in no time. Overall, Gevi's espresso machine balances beginner-friendly ease with enough precision for seasoned coffee lovers to flex their barista muscles, without needing a commercial setup or unlimited counter space. Coming in number 3. DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Automatic Espresso. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo espresso machine hits a rare sweet spot. Super automatic convenience, without sacrificing authentic espresso quality. With 7 one-touch recipes, including a surprisingly refreshing iced coffee option, this machine does the heavy lifting while delivering cafe-worthy results at home. Its latte crema system isn't just marketing fluff. It genuinely produces silky, dense foam, even with non-dairy alternatives, and neatly stores in the fridge between brews. Adjusting your favorite drink is simple, and the machine reliably remembers personalized settings, a thoughtful touch for daily routines. A standout feature is the intuitive coffee lungo button, creating a smooth, full-bodied brew topped with velvety crema. Maintenance is refreshingly straightforward, though the manual is best paired with YouTube for clarity. Minor details, like needing a cup handy for startup rinses, hardly detract from the seamless experience. Despite its simplicity, this Magnifica Evo consistently delivers delicious espresso and cappuccinos with impressive ease. Robustly built yet elegantly compact, it's ideal for anyone craving a balance of quality and convenience without unnecessary complexity. Coming in number 2. Philips 3200 Series. Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. The Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine hits a sweet spot for anyone craving cafe-quality coffee without fuss. With 5 one-touch drink options: espresso, Americano, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and classic coffee, this machine takes convenience seriously. Its intuitive touchscreen makes morning grogginess a non-issue. One tap and fresh ground coffee is moments away. A standout feature is the smart Latte Go milk system, brilliantly designed with just 2 dishwasher-safe parts and 0 tubes, making cleanup ridiculously easy. It handles milk alternatives surprisingly well. Oat milk froths nicely, though expect less foam volume compared to regular. Oat milk froths nicely, though expect less foam volume compared to regular milk. While pre-ground coffee requires patience and practice. Hint, follow the machine's process exactly to avoid hiccups. Freshly ground beans consistently deliver smooth, aromatic coffee with balanced crema. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to the AquaClean filter eliminating frequent descaling, up to 5,000 cups, though keeping the brew group clean avoids any surprise odors. Yes, it's slightly loud. Show me a grinder that isn't. But the ease, speed, and drink quality far outweigh the minor noise nuisance. If convenience, reliability, and great tasting coffee are priorities, especially at sale pricing, the Philips 3200 is hard to beat. Coming in number 1, Philips Series 3300. The Philips Series 3300 is a quietly impressive espresso machine, literally. With its silent brew technology, grinding beans at dawn won't wake the neighbors. Offering 6 cafe-quality beverages including cappuccinos, iced coffee, and latte macchiatos, this machine perfectly balances versatility with simplicity. A standout is Philips Latte Go milk system. Effortless, smooth foam, even with plant-based alternatives. And cleaning takes mere seconds. Sure, the milk carafe feels a tad fragile. Careful handling helps, but Philips customer service swiftly remedies mishaps without fuss. Internally, Philips borrowed proven engineering from Seiko, upgrading usability and reliability. Intuitive water tanks, simplified drip trays, and fewer tricky sensors to malfunction. With precise control over grind size and water volume, espresso quality is exceptional, rich, smooth, and satisfyingly hot. Espresso quality is exceptional, rich, smooth, and satisfyingly hot. Adjust once, and the machine consistently remembers your perfect cup. Maintenance is refreshingly straightforward thanks to the AquaClean filter, minimizing descaling chores for thousands of cups. Combine this efficiency with smart app support offering tips and new recipes, and you've got a seriously enjoyable home barista experience. This machine transforms everyday coffee rituals into moments worth savoring.